Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Mark and welcome. So today we'll be doing a reaction video. I recently purchased a shoes in Adidas which is Stan Smith. So this is actually the first Stan Smith shoes from Adidas that I bought. I was actually looking for this in Adidas online shop, online store, like almost a week now, and I'm actually undecided if I'm going to get it or not because of the price. It's quite expensive. Here in the Philippines, it costs 4,800 pesos. So that's almost $100 in US. Okay, so the reason why I got this because I was getting a shoes for someone, okay, and then I bought that shoes for him, and then I'd like to get a white shoes as well. So because of the price, I'm really undecided, and I would like to try it on first before I'm going to get it. And then when I'm about to go to my work last Saturday, no, last Sunday, just this Sunday, I was too early, mas maaga ako. So I dropped by to Adidas store in BGC in High Street, the newly opened Adidas store there. So I got it. Without further ado, here's the item. So this is the Stan Smith green, all white at both sides. But before we check it, okay, here's the box. I mean, here's the paper bag, which is extremely big for the shoes. This is the box, and the size that I got is size 9 UK. So in US, that's gonna be 8.5. Okay. Actually, ito yung pinakamahal na sapatos na binili ko out of my own pocket, out of my own money. Because, syempre, we're working, it's December, I'd like to get something good for myself. Just to reward myself for the hard work that I did for 2018, right? So, this is the box. Okay, and this is the Stan Smith. Okay siya. Ito, size 9. Meron pang etiketa. Okay. Ito guys. Sobrang ganda. Actually, sobrang ganda niya. Yung, meron din kasing superstar na white shoes. Yun, mas affordable naman siya. Kasi, when you check it online, adidas.com.ph, medyo mas mura siya ng konti. Pero sa Adidas store, same na sila ng cost. Pero, ito kasi mas clean yung dating niya sa akin. At the same time, normally di ba sa Adidas, pag dun sa back, nakalagay Adidas, dito naman Stan Smith. So, I don't know actually who's Stan Smith. So, nag-check din ako, bakit ba Stan Smith? So, it says here, Stan Smith shoes. The Stan Smith shoes were born for the tennis court in the early 1970s, but their clean and simple style still knows no boundaries. These shoes keep familiar features like the perforated 3 stripes and replace the laces with 3 hook and loop straps for a fresh look. So I don't know if Stan Smith is a real person, if he's a tennis player. If you do know the answer though, maybe you can inform me about him or whatnot. Tapos, itong description naman itong ano na to, specifications. Okay. Sabi dito, full grain leather upper, full grain leather. I don't know if it's genuine leather, pero sobrang tunog talaga. Ayun, ganda-ganda. Tapos, 3 hook and loop closures Okay, nasabi ko na yun. Leather lining, logo on the heel tab. Ito yun. Rubber capsule. Rubber nga naman. Okay. Tapos guys, ito, sobrang ganda niya. Actually. Alam mo yun, yung parang, basta, sobrang ganda. Ang premium ng dating niya. Kasi itong mismo, itong sa labas na to, yung sa loob niya, parang ganun din yung style. So parang, ang ganda. Parang ano, medyo burara pa naman ako sa gamit. Ay, hindi naman burara, pero this is actually a shoe. So I'm gonna worn it till it's broken. So I hope na maglast sa akin for a year. Kasi pag may nagustuhan akong shoes, I keep using it almost every day. Tapos if I'm going to wash it, kasi di ba pag maulan. So pag maulan lang naman, dun nababasa yung mga shoes ko. So that's the, hindi naman sa magiging dugyot, pero that is most likely the time that I'll be washing it. Pero ito, since it's actually white, so I think I need to wash it like almost every month. Diba? So, ayun nga guys. Today is December 12. Ang ganda niya December 12 ngayon. Alam ko may sale si Lazada ay si Zalora. Kasi sa Zalora, kung bibili kayo nito, makatipid yata kayo. Meron silang sale, instead of 4.8, it went down to 4.5. At the same time, they have like a code for you to get, for you to put in, and then you get more discount. Okay. But of course, wala naman discount pag pumunta ka sa store ng Adidas. So, at saka nag-ano ako, in love ako. Baby, mga love. Diba? Parang sa Sakura Gaming lang. Pero ito nga, this, ang ganda niya. Sobra. I'll be wearing this later in my shift. Ayun nga. So, that's all for today. Gusto ko lang mag-review. Ayun lang. So, ayun, kalimutan ko yung disclaimer. Hindi pala ako nag-show off guys ha. Kasi, every one naman. Kasi vlog ko to. Siyempre, kailangan may content. So, ito na yun. So, thank you guys for watching this video. If you know something about Stan Smith where I can get, because I was looking for a black one. Yung black na ganito. Kaso wala sila dun sa Adidas store. Hindi ko alam kung saan ako bibili. Kaso nga lang, ayoko naman maghintay kay Lazada. So, Zalora, rather. So, nagpanag-buying na ako. So, thank you so much guys for watching. Please check out my other contents. And if you like this video, kindly give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and leave a comment down below. Bye-bye.